right there. We're on our way to Darren's. It is a beautiful morning. It's gonna be a pretty hot day today. 95 and sunny is on the forecast, but we're gonna stay cool.
Well, good morning, guys. It is a beautiful morning. It is 76 degrees and sunny here in Ermahern, Nebraska. We actually are going to serve at some fireworks tents. Austin just showed up. He is here. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Did I just put the 85 on? Do we need even the 28? I like wearing sunglasses because I can look at the screen and you can't tell.
I wonder who came up with that
Take
one.
Take notes, people.
So it is early. Well, it's not that early, it's 7. My eyes are still like kind of shut still. But we're gonna go get some coffee and then we're gonna head to Lincoln. That's where the fireworks tents are. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be hot. Hot.
All right, everybody, we are now in Darren's house. He's going to put on his side handle. I'm gonna shoot a little B-roll here. I go that way.
So we just got to Baker's, our local grocery store here, and we're gonna get some kombucha because kombucha is delicious. Deals, 2 for $5. Deals. What kind are you gonna get?
Probably pineapple peach.
Welcome value customer.
See that?
Input price and quality.
We're always causing some kind of issue at the grocery store. Does anyone really know what kombucha is? Probably not. It's non-GMO certified, USDA organic. Let's go. We all like those organics, huh?
SCOBY, bro.
What's a SCOBY?
It's a cluster of bacteria and yeast. It's literally like a big old pancake made of yeast that sits there and rots, and then it turns into kombucha, and it tastes really good, and it's healthy for you somehow.
Sounds really delicious.
All right, guys, we are just leaving Darren's right now, where we are splitting ways for a little while. So we're gonna be driving down separately because I'm not staying the night in Lincoln and Darren is. See you guys in a second on the road. Pulling up on Darren here.
There he is, right ahead of us.
Psych, we decided to come to McDonald's and get some food quick because I'm super hungry. Can I have a number 6?
672?
Yeah.
All right, guys, well, we're almost to the fireworks tent. We're pretty pumped about it. We're gonna pull up, we're gonna go serve our butts off and sell all the fireworks. This is awesome because all the money that we make goes to our church. Are you pumped, babe?
So excited.
All right, cool. We'll see you guys there. This is it, right here. We're here. This is our old trusty tent.
Hey! How's it going?
Hey, guys.
If you're doing register, if somebody else is doing out here, they can just be mindful of these especially, because those will go like quick. They're sold as a bundle right here, but they're also sold individually.
Here we are, working the tent with Randy.
All right, happy 4th of July.
It's been good, it's kind of hot, but at least it's kind of windy. But it's a good time. Austin's over at the other one, down the way a little bit, and he's probably crushing it. They said they were setting up a bunch of stuff. It's 91 degrees and climbing, but there's a breeze, so it's not that bad. Thankfully, my wife here, she went on a bang run. And remember, bang is life.
in here. I hope he gets it in here before all this stuff runs out, because it's going fast, fellas, I'm telling you. We've had people coming in here and dropping money down here like crazy, trying to buy these fireworks for us. And they don't even know it's for the church. It's a celebration of the 4th of July. It's Independence Day. And that's what we're all about right now. And that's what I gotta say about that.
You heard the man. We're smoking those other tents here. We're crushing it. We're bringing the world peace and freedom through fireworks.
We out here, fireworks 2018. We going so hard in the paint. Let's go. Let's. Is this for Vlog Friday?
Yeah.
This is for Vlog Friday.
So we just got done with fireworks tents. Austin was at a different tent. I was at a different tent. These guys were all at a different tent.
Yeah.
Bro, I was slinging fireworks.
Absolutely.
Like it was my
Salesman
job.
of the year.
Like it was crazy.
What's up?
I better not hear any.
You're gonna hear it, girl. So
I
this
would
would
watch
turn it up
Danny's
to
vlogs
17.
on
Well guys, just woke up. Day 2 of fireworks. Today we're gonna do it all over again. It's gonna be awesome. Like $1 million.
I feel fine except for Darren's friggin' alarm.
Sorry.
Yeah, isn't it freaking annoying?
Alarm that's scary.
So they're making fun of me because I literally can't wake up for the life of me. So what do? I set my Apple Watch alarm. I set phone alarm. I set the actual wall plug-in alarm. I have a Google Home that I set. It's not my fault I can't wake up. It's not my freaking fault.
Yo, happy 4th of July, everybody. We're heading back to the fireworks tent. It's gonna be off the charts. Had such a great night hanging out with Glory Visuals. Stay tuned for even more content.
Back-to-back World War champs, America!
1776, let's go.
It is 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. So yesterday was a long day. We got there at like 8:30 and we were there till about midnight. We sold the heck out of fireworks. Right now we're just getting ready to go to the tent. It's gonna be another good day. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm hot and sweaty, all gross, but we are packing up the tent, and right now I'm about to take these flags off of here. I'm about to Spider-Man up there, so let's go. Hey Mom! Now that's how you be an American, right? Right guys? Hey guys, how American am I now?
So American.
Hey Blake, am I really American now?
George Washington holding a bald eagle, American.
Yes! Yeah! Gary, how American am I now?
Tito.
Huh?
Chiquito.
What's that mean?
A little bit.
Dang it. And he was a Marine! So guys, we actually just stepped away from the tent because you have to be 300 feet away to shoot fireworks. So we're just gonna, I'm here with Gary, and we're just taking a second to shoot off something. So this is gonna be rad. Yay! Oh, Gary, let's go! All right. Yeah! Oh my, they're right against the wind. That was... Holy crap! America! It is so windy out here. Oh my gosh, the audio is probably so bad right now. Oh my gosh.